Buy Canon Pixma G3260 wireless all-in-one printer at cheap and limited time discount from link in the description. Click subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest videos. The Canon Pixma G3260 wireless Megatank all-in-one printer is designed for productivity, delivering high-volume, low-cost printing. Its refillable Megatank ink system prints up to 6,000 black and 7,700 color pages from one set of ink bottles. That's 30 times what you can print with a conventional ink cartridge set. Dimension for G3260 Supertank printer is about 20.4 x 18.8 x 10 inches and it weighs 19.4 pounds. Enjoy plain paper printing speeds of 10.8 IPM for black and 6 IPM for color, and a hybrid ink system with pigment black for sharp black text and dye-based colors for vivid photos. Print both documents and photos on plain paper and a variety of other media types. Also print beautiful borderless photos from 3.5 x 3.5 inches square to 8.5 x x 11 inches letter effortlessly. Easy to fill integrated ink tanks lets you see how much ink you have left. With newly designed ink bottles specific for each color, it's easier than ever to fill and refill. A 2-line LCD display allows for greater usability and an easy user interface experience. Print, copy, and scan. With the G3260 you can print more and do more for greater productivity. Print, copy, and scan with ease and enjoy great versatility. Print documents, borderless photos, and more on a variety of media types and sizes with hybrid inks for crisp blacks and vivid colors. You can print on the go wirelessly from your favorite mobile devices. Print more for less with the Canon Pixma G3260 wireless Megatank all-in-one printer. Enjoy an ink savings and experience high yields of up to 6,000 black and 7,700 printed pages with a single set of color bottles. Plus, your printer comes with 2 bonus black ink bottles. Print both documents and photos on a variety of paper types using a hybrid ink system with pigment black for sharp black text and dye-based colors for vivid borderless photos up to 8.5 x 11 inches. With fast print speeds and a flatbed scanner, this wireless all-in-one can handle printing, copying, and scanning with ease. Connect and print wirelessly from your computer or your favorite mobile device using the Canon Print app, or print without any additional apps thanks to Apple AirPrint or Mopria support.